Hey, good morning, 6th grade. Let me give you some answers from your math lessons. Lesson 166 and 167 is due for today. This is Monday, May the 4th. I should have given you Monday, May the 4th, yes. So I need to give you some answers from Friday's lesson 2, 164 and 165. So let's go back, and I'm just going to give you a number of answers. In the lessons, I will try to do so quickly and let you know where we're at. Look at number 164, please, your paper from 164. So if you're not yet done with 166 and 167, you should get that done before you go too much further in this video, because I'll give answers from that. Number 1. These are the ones where you need the lines. 3v equals 87. Let's do this quickly. (3v) means what? 3v means you're multiplying. You do the opposite. You want to get rid of the 3. Okay? You want to get rid of as much as you can. Get rid of the 3. 3 times v. Do the opposite of 3 times v. 3v divided by 3 equals 87 divided by 3, right? That gets rid of the 3's. So all you have left is v equals, what is 87 divided by 3? 3 into 8 is 229. V equals 29 for number 1. Number 3, order of operation. What do you do first in a problem like this? That's what order of operation is, okay? We learned that we do parentheses first, right? So this is the first thing you do. 3 times 4 times 12 minus 7 is 5. And then you do multiplication and division in order from left to right, okay? You don't pick out the division or pick out whatever comes first from left to right. 3 times 4 times 5. So we have 3 times 4. And you don't have to write all these lines, but this is what you would do first. 3 times 4 is 12 times 5. 12 times 5 is 60. The answer for number 3 is 60. Number 5, write it with an exponent. That would be 4 with a little 3, 4 cubed. Number 7, 16, and you know that 16 plus e equals 26. Number 9, scale drawing. Okay, if you measured the drawing in your book, you came up with a length of 3 inches. 1 inch equals 18 yards, so 3 times 18 is 54 yards. And if you measured the width, it was 2 inches. 2 times 18 is 36 yards. You need those 2 answers. You should have something like this. Length equals 54 yards and width equals 36 yards. Something like that for a scale drawing. You always need 2 answers, length and width. All right? You're simply multiplying by how many inches that you measured by what the scale is. Number 11. The answer is 128 yards, 12 inches. If you're not getting these right, then you need to figure out. I will go over what's on the test. I will probably put a review video out today yet, so pay attention to that, talking about what's going to be on the test on Wednesday. Number 13, 12 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon. 16 through 19, you're rounding off the equations to the highest place value. So 17 would be 900 plus 900 plus 100. 900 plus 900 plus 100 is 1900, 1900 for number 17. All right. Number 19 is 800 divided by 20. The answer would be 40. 21. 26 is 13% of what number? 26 is 13% of what number? Let's just put the proportion down and then I'll give you the answer. 26 is 13% of what number? 26 is 13% of what number? There's your missing number, 13 over 100. So you have 13, your original equation, 13W equals 100 times 26. Then you solve that. Your answer is 200. W equals 200 for number 23. Number 31, the answer is 1.67. 1.67. Round your number to the nearest hundredths. You have to move your decimal point one place to the right in both the dividend and the divisor to get rid of it in the divisor. Number 32, convert the compound measure. 61 days equals how many weeks and how many days? 61 days divided by 7 days per week, and then that is your weeks, and then your remainder is days. 8 weeks, 5 days for number 30. You didn't have to do number 32. Number 33, 13 days, 15 hours. Turn everything into hours. Turn 13 days into hours. 13 times 24, and then add the 15 hours. You should have 327 hours for number 33. Lesson 165. Let's do a few on here quickly. Number 1, reducing a fraction. Divide by the same number until you can't reduce anymore. 20 and 45 can both be divided by 5 to give you 4 over 9. Number 1 is 4 over 9. Number 5, the answer to number 5 is 50 and 11 over 14. Number 7 on lesson 165 is 7 and 1/5. Number 9, greatest common factor, least common multiple. It's been a little bit since we did these. The greatest common factor is 30. The least common multiple is 60. Greatest common factor is the largest number that both 30 and 60 can be divided by evenly. The least common multiple is the lowest number that both 30 and 60 can go into evenly. All right? Number 11. 6 yards, 2 1/4 inches. Number 13, 4 years, 7 months. Number 17, discount and final price. Your discount, so to figure out the discount, you say you bought a box of bolts for $6.50 and received a 10% discount. So you're finding what is 10% of $6.50. That's your discount. So your discount's going to be 65 cents. You subtract that from $6.50 and you get $5.85. 19, 7.42 quarts. 21, 16 3/4 feet. 23, you need 2 measures, right? Within one of 31 millimeters. So you can have either 30, 31, or 32 millimeters. 31 millimeters, and then you have 3.1 centimeters. Lesson 166. Number 1 is 6 706 over 1,000. What's the place value of the farthest right? The 6, 706, that's tenths, hundredths, thousandths, so 6 706 over 1,000. Line up the decimals when you're adding and subtracting decimals. The answer to number 3 is 102.88. The answer to number 5 is 59.1537. Number 15. Number 15, lesson 166, 18 kilograms. Number 17, 70,000 centimeters squared. Number 27 is reducing fractions. 27 is 2 over 9. Number 29, the reading problem, 5 hours, 50 minutes. Lesson 167. Number 3, here's another division of compound measures. Make sure you have these straight. 4 bushels, 2 1/5 peck. Number 5, 1 mile, 1,560 yards. Number 7, here's another scale drawing. And again, it's 3 inches by 2 inches. Multiply 3 by 35. You have a length of 105 yards, a width of 70 yards. Order of operator, actually solve and prove. Number 9, the answer to number 9 is 26. 13, 16.35 yards. 21 is a sales tax. Find what is 7% of $3.70. That's what your tax total will be. All right? Then add that. That's 26 cents. Add that to $3.70. Your sales tax is 26 cents. Your final price is $3.96. Make sure you have 168 and 169. The odds finish for tomorrow. You will be getting a video, maybe a couple videos, a couple different parts. Actually, I don't know, the final test is no bigger than a normal test. But yeah, you'll be getting a review video for that probably sometime today. All right, 6th grade. Good day.